Hey everyone, and welcome to another Femme Luxe clothing review. I've got my hands on a couple more pieces as per usual, and this time I've actually got 4 dresses to review. I'm not doing it with any hosiery this time, purely because I didn't feel like it. I just wanted to switch it up a little bit for you this time. So I'm gonna get right into it. So the first piece I've got is this gorgeous ruched strapless mini, well, they say mini dress, but on me it's sort of like mid-thigh. However, what you can do is, as it's ruching at the side, you can actually make this shorter or longer depending on how you feel. Like, I started off like this and then thought, I don't know, I'm not feeling it, so I decided just to sort of scrunch it up a little bit and make it a little bit more party-like. So you'll see me do this quite a lot because basically there's nothing holding this up, so it just keeps falling down, which is a pain, an absolute pain, because otherwise I would have loved this dress. I just want to show you guys a little bit close up. So as you can see, like this, the top section is literally like a separate section. It's just been sewed onto the bottom bit, and from, I would probably say, where it's sort of together, that's when all the ruching starts, and obviously goes all the way straight down. There's no extra ruching on the back. Normally sometimes I tend to put a line in the middle, but it's not one this time. But otherwise it's quite nice. It's really nice and stretchy. It fits quite nice. I didn't struggle or have to wiggle my way to get into this dress, thank God, because I would have been so annoyed. But otherwise it's not bad. It's quite thin, quite see-through-y. I was trying to like show you guys on camera, but I don't think it'll work that well. But like looking down, I can, it's not lined or anything because it's not thick, so this would be perfect for like summer. But yeah, otherwise I feel like if it was lined and actually held up a lot better, like if there were like silicone strap bits in here, it would work perfectly. But because there isn't, there's not much I can do really apart from that the whole time. But otherwise, not a bad dress. I feel like I said, it could work, but if you don't mind tugging it up the whole time. I do like the fact that you can actually sort of play around with this section, so you can make it sort of shorter, mid-length or longer, however you prefer. But yeah, overall I'll probably give this a 7. Yeah, I'm being nice today. I'm going to give it a 7. It's not too bad. Yeah, 7 it is. Right, my second piece is this rust coloured like midi ruched dress. I say rust coloured because it's supposed to be this darker rusty colour, however it shines quite bright, and well, yeah, as you can see. So this piece is, well, it's just below my knees on me. You can only make it slightly longer if you tug it down, but then you lose quite a lot of the ruching. So I sort of, sorry, it's just because I got my mirror there, that's why I keep looking over there. So I'm sort of just letting it do its thing, really. I'm not too sure about this part here. I feel like it could do with a bit more ruching if I'm honest, but yeah. Or like not even a bit more ruching, I feel like it needs to be a little bit more fitted. It's like a little bit baggy here. Yeah, it's not that great. So anyway, this piece is okay in my eyes. The straps on here are not adjustable, so you just get this one length. Which doesn't really sit that well on the shoulders, as you can see. It falls straight off. So I'm not really too impressed there. The material is really, really thin and a little bit see-through, and obviously slinky, so it falls the way it does. But I'm not too keen. And do you remember when I said about the back ruching? So this is what I meant. Like, you've actually got a whole middle section right here. Obviously, you know, which works wonders in terms of showing off assets. So, but I'm not going to show you too much there. But otherwise, it's not a bad dress. It's just a very sort of, if you don't know what to wear, I want to throw something on, and yeah, this is probably the dress to go to. I'm not a huge fan of this one, if I'm honest. Like, yeah, just I feel like there could be so much, like if they had adjustable straps, if, you know, like this sat quite nicely, and obviously you can place it where you want to. So if you want to make it a little bit lower, a little bit higher, you've got the, you know, the chance to, whereas with this you don't at all. You've just got to let it sit where it sits and be done with it, basically. But yeah, otherwise not too bad. I feel like, yeah, it's okay. It does a job. Yeah, it does a job, and that's it. I'll probably give this a 5. Like I said, I'm being nice. If it was me, I really would have given it like a 3 or 4, but I'm being nice today, so 5 it is. On to my next piece. We're going a little bit more like nice and glam and satin with this gorgeous little, I think it's classed as a mini dress again, but, and actually to be fair, I feel like this one is a bit more mini. No, actually no, I'll class it as mid-thigh again. Sorry, it's not mini. So this piece, one thing I'm really thankful for is the fact that we have adjustable straps. Yay, so we can actually adjust this whole bit here. However, the downfall to that is this literally has like nothing, apart from a little strap. This literally has nothing to hold it in place. So like before, while I was trying to get this on, I had to keep pulling this over my shoulder so it could actually sit where it's supposed to. But yeah, that's going to be my only downfall, is the fact that this just pulls. And I think this is obviously supposed to be long sleeve, but if I pull it up where it's supposed to be, it actually sits like quite short on the arm. So I'm not too keen on that, to be honest. See, I'm just going to keep doing this now. Another thing that I do really like about this dress, so you get the really nice fitted look, is the fact that you've got a zip closure at the back. So that helps, obviously. And yeah, otherwise it's not bad. It's quite nice. It's a nice fitted look. This is quite static, I have to admit. This dress is pretty static on me at the moment, and I don't know if that's playing a part in why it's not sitting well or something, but yeah, I can just feel it clinging onto my arm, and it does not feel nice. But yeah, otherwise pretty cute dress. I think this comes in a couple of other colours, but I decided to go for pink instead, because pink's always nice. You can dress it up or down compared to like other colours where it can just be like just quite glam. So I thought this works quite well. But yeah, otherwise it's a pretty cute dress. I'd rate this one like probably 6.5, 7. No, okay, no, I'll be nice. I'll give it a 7. But yeah, if it wasn't so static, if obviously this, you know, like stayed up where it's supposed to, also if it was lined as well, because it is quite thin, yeah, obviously it would definitely have a higher number. But I'm loving the fact that it has an adjustable strap. It's like the best thing ever. I love it when dresses do that. So yeah, this is another good pick, another good find. And last but not least is this Ombre black and gold sequin plunge dress. And they're not joking when they say plunge. To the point I'm not too comfortable with this, if I'm honest. I didn't think it would be this bad. Right, I'm going to try and sit it there and probably hold it. No, hold on. Right, for the purpose of this video, we're not exposing too much. I'm going to be holding it here, yeah? I'm going to apologise in advance, but then I'm also going to take that apology back, because I've got to be comfortable with this. And if I'm not comfortable, there's just no point in doing this. So I really did like the dress online. However, now looking at it, I'm not too sure. The plunge, literally, if it could be like this, that would be perfect. Hold on, let me pin this for the sake of me trying to do a review and not get far. Let me just pin this. Anyway, so while I'm doing this, let me also talk to you. So yeah, it did look amazing online, and I didn't think it would obviously be this bad, but however it is. Right, okay, there we go. I know it's really bad. Please don't judge me. It's just for the time being. But yeah, I did love the look of it, and I thought, oh my god, this is such a lovely dress, a proper glam going out one. But now, once it's on, I'm obviously having second thoughts about it. So let me sort of go through the downsides of this dress, and then I can tell you about all the positive points, because I've got a lot more bad than good. So 1 is obviously the plunge. 2 is the fact that, like, if you're sitting down, you're going to end up getting these like little creasy side bits, which I'm not a huge fan of, if I'm honest. Third bit is, right, because this is quite an open back dress. Obviously, this is just a button, obviously, so you can actually undo and do the strap up. And it's just like incomplete. Like, I feel that should be longer, and obviously that's hidden and all that. But because it isn't, it just looks like it's about to break or something. I legit thought it was. But obviously that's the other side. So do you know what I mean? It could be a lot better. And then obviously, you know, you've got like this huge exposed back, which is, you know, not an issue. I don't mind that, but it is pretty big. And obviously because the whole piece at the front is held by this chain, here you've actually got to be careful because the chain literally stops right there. It doesn't extend a little bit further down or anything. So you've actually got to be super careful trying to get this on. And speaking of getting it on, I struggled big time. There is no stretch in this dress whatsoever. So you've got to try and be careful of the sequins trying to get it on. I had to do some sort of shimmy roll thing. I had to like put half my dress up so I can wiggle back down in it. And it was so long. It was so long. And I guarantee you it's going to take me about a good 20 minutes to get back out of this dress. So I'm not happy with that. Because you can imagine like wearing this out and you're going out drinking and you're drunk as anything. Oh, it's not good. However, nice little thing here is the fact that you've got a discreet zip bit here, which ends like down there. I'm not going to show you too much because obviously, you know, don't want to be exposing anything. So yeah, so that also helps you to get it on. But even then, did not make a difference, if I'm honest. But otherwise, yeah. So look-wise, I think it looks great. Obviously, the plunge part could be a little bit less exposing. Because, I mean, literally, you can... If I, like, leant down, you could see all. You could just see everything. And I don't really want that on a night out. Yeah, another plus point is, obviously, you know, it's a nice open back. And it's obviously not too exposing on the sides either. When you get open back, sometimes it like sort of ends here, so you get a bit of side boob. But I'm happy the fact that there isn't any of that. And yeah, and just, yeah, I just like the look of it more than anything. I think it looks absolutely amazing. But practicality, oh no, just no. I'm not too sure how I feel about this dress. If I'm honest, it looks great, but I wouldn't be in it again. To be honest, yeah. I'll probably rate this dress like 4 because there's so many more things that they could have done a lot better, but they didn't. So 4 it is.